Busy junctions. When to go? So here we are sitting at a very busy junction. The reason why there's much traffic is there is a railway crossing to the right. So we're trying to make effective observation here, but there's not much of a gap. So we're looking for places that we can go. So first of all, I spot that red car on the right. So maybe he can do some work for us. So we keep looking up and down the road, and then I can see the traffic slowing down, so potentially that red car might make a move. That car's let him go, so he's made a move. He becomes our blocker. No one's going to get around him. And then we make eye contact with the vehicles on our left and gently move forward. So you sometimes have to make the gap.